As you probably know, yesterday was Black Friday. Black Friday takes place the day after Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is celebrated on the fourth Thursday of November, so Black Friday is celebrated on the fourth Friday of November. Black Friday marks the beginning of the holiday and Christmas shopping season. It only used to take place in the United States, but it has become a global phenomenon. And I'd say that in England we have had it for about 10 to 15 years. It wasn't really a thing here before that. I remember that we used to see videos on the news of people in the United States queuing up at shops in the early hours of the morning, like at 5 or 6 o'clock, so that they could be the first ones in the shop to get the best deals. I'd say that that was the first time that I had heard of this concept. Now we have Black Friday in many other countries, even in countries where Thanksgiving isn't celebrated at all. It's just for marketing. In fact, now I've seen posters for Black Week and Black Month, not only Black Friday. So they're trying to get people into the shops and buying before it's even December. Before, we used to see a lot of consumers camping outside the shops and department stores to make sure that they didn't miss out on those good deals. But I don't think that really happens here in the UK. Especially now that it's Black Month and Black Week. The offers are on for a long time, so if you want to buy something, then you've got a few days or a few weeks to buy it. And then after Black Friday, we have Cyber Monday, which is a day dedicated to online sales. So if you're going to buy the product online anyways, then you've got a few days to buy it. Some people think that it's great because it's an opportunity to buy what you were going to buy anyway for Christmas at a good price, but others criticize it because it encourages consumerism and chaotic behavior. Sometimes you end up buying a product that you weren't going to buy just because of all the adverts that you've seen, and you feel like you're missing out. People feel FOMO. FOMO is fear of missing out. So FOMO. If you feel FOMO, you feel like you're missing out, like you're missing something. So some people buy products on Black Friday because they feel like they're missing out on a good deal. But sometimes you're just spending money that you weren't going to spend in the first place. For example, if you know that you're going to get your child a tablet or a smartwatch for Christmas, and you know the specific model that they want, and you see that it's half price on Black Friday, then it makes sense to buy it. But if you're just buying gifts for yourself when you hadn't planned to, then maybe that's not the best idea. This year, I haven't seen that many adverts, but I have seen a few articles and a few news reports, especially on TV, warning people to be aware of the offers that there are on Black Friday. Some shops put the prices up beforehand, so they make it look like it is an offer, but in reality, it's the same price as it was before. I know that this is supposed to be controlled, But sometimes it's difficult to know whether it really does have a discount or not. So there are some websites that you can go on and it tells you how much the product has cost this year. It's quite interesting to see how the prices go up at Christmas, like in December, and this way you'll be able to see whether you're being ripped off or it's actually a good deal. Apparently, electronics, appliances, toys and clothing are the most bought products during Black Friday. Mobile phones, TVs and gaming consoles are quite popular. Last weekend I went to a shopping centre and I saw all the signs for Black Week, but there didn't seem to be many crowds. In fact, there was hardly anyone there. It said that there was limited stock, meaning that there are only items available in small quantities. But then I looked on the website when I got home of a product that I was looking at, which was a monitor for my computer, and there were over 1,000 available. I suppose that 1,000 isn't much if it's for the whole country, but it didn't really feel limited. Especially because I was looking on other websites and you could buy it in almost any shop. I had a look in the shop and I looked on the website while I was in the shop and I realised that there was a discount code that I could use if I bought it online. So I added it to my shopping cart while I was in the shop, and when I got home I pressed go to checkout to see if I could add the discount code, and in the end I ended up saving £15 just for buying it online. So then I understood why there weren't that many crowds, because in that specific shop it's a lot cheaper and a lot easier to buy it online, and it was delivered the following day. So in my case I have bought something on Black Friday, but it wasn't an impulse purchase. I had been looking at that screen for a long time because I needed a new one for my computer, and I saw that it had a good discount, so in the end it was a bargain. I know that there are a lot of flash sales. Flash sales are quick and limited time online discounts, so there are a lot of flash sales that turn out not to be as good as what we thought they were, but in this case it was a good deal. I think this is the first time that I've ever bought something in the Black Friday sales. I know that retailers only have these sales to get you shopping early and spending your money, but if it benefits you and you end up paying less than what you were going to pay before for the same product, I don't think it's that bad. Let me know whether there is Black Friday or Black Week in your country, because I have no idea what countries actually have it, and whether they've started doing Black Week and Black Month in your country as well. Have you ever bought anything in the Black Friday sales? Let me know in the comment section and I can respond to your messages. Now that I have a new monitor for my computer, the display is a lot clearer, so it's a lot easier for me to read the text on the screen, and it doesn't reflect as much light as my other one did because My old screen was like a mirror. It felt like I was looking at the screen, but I could also see my reflection. So this one is very matte. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video.